Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making this vintage North Pole booklet. It's a very simple, small book that you can just make within like few minutes. Here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. So you have these 4 pages that makes the booklet and the pockets. Let's start the assembling. So I'm just going to fold along these lines over here. So I have this one page that makes this one fold that makes the page, and the other smaller fold will make the pocket of the booklet. So there you have it. So this fold, it's going to fold it into half, the page into half, and the other smaller fold that you see, that will be the pocket. What I want to do now is, this is going to be, since that's going to be the front of the page, I'm just going to attach one of those pockets to the page and keep folding it accordion style so that there is a pocket and then a page. So this is the main idea over here. I had to print on both sides because the first time I printed, the setting wasn't correct, so I just turned the pages and printed it again. There's no need to print on the back side. So here's what I've been talking about. So I'm just going to, so the North Pole, that page is going to be the front of the page, and this fold that you are seeing, the mini fold, that I'm going to make it as a pocket and glue it to the page over to the front page, and then fold that so that this will be one page, and then again use the pocket and glue it to the page. So this is what I'm doing over here. I'm just laying it down and just gluing the pockets to the pages in a continuous manner. And the front of the page, the North Pole, the page that is written as North Pole, that pocket that you see here, that will become the spine now. So there you have it. I have just folded everything together. This is how it's going to look. And the front part, the front page, the folded area, that I'm just making it into a spine. Now I haven't glued the pages together, so I'm just gluing those pages together. You can make that as a top pocket again. So I'm just gluing on just 2 sides so that I can insert some tags into those pages also. So whatever I folded as the spine, again I'm using that as a pocket again. I'm just gluing it as a side pocket, just applying glue on 2 sides. Again, there you have another pocket. So here is it. So here is the final booklet, and you can just go ahead and decorate and add the tags over here. So you can see that I'm just adding those tags to the top pages also. To the top of the pockets also. Very simple and can be done in a few minutes. I've added a few tabs that you can just use to attach it to the pages. the final reveal of the vintage North Pole booklet. So this booklet is free. So to get this booklet, you can just sign up to the newsletter so that you will get the file to your email. And those who have already subscribed to the newsletter, you will get this free booklet. You can just check your email. So happy holidays. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.